So hello everyone, I am Aman Narur and today we are going to grow potatoes with their potato eyes. So guys, you can follow these easy steps and easily grow potatoes at your home. So let's get started. So guys, what we will do first, we will cut all the potatoes with their potato eyes. So now we will prepare the soil by losing the soil so that potatoes can grow easily. Now we will level the soil and the soil preparation is finally done. Now we are going to grow the potatoes. And guys, grow potatoes very carefully because the potato eye must be on the top. Nowadays these activities are done by machines, but as you know I am growing it at my home, so I am doing it itself. Finally we have grown all the potatoes. Now we will irrigate it. And guys, after some days your potatoes will grow like this. And guys, see, it is easily done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.